Every night, Mira would listen to the stars. She didn't know how it started. Only that when her eyes closed and the world fell silent. Singing, she could hear them not in words, but in tones, soft, silvery melodies that echoed through her dreams. At first, she thought it was just her imagination. But each night, the songs changed with her feelings. When she was sad, the music was gentle and low, like a lullaby through a closed window. When she was happy, it sparkled and danced, like bells in sunlight. One night, after a difficult day, she whispered into the darkness, "Why does no one understand me?" The stars replied with a harmony so tender, it felt like someone holding her hand from far away. In her dream, she stood beneath a sky alive with constellations, each one humming a truth she had forgotten. "You were not broken," the stars seemed to say. "You are becoming." Mira didn't wake with answers, but she woke with calm. And from then on, whenever the world grew too loud or confusing, she would close her eyes and listen. Because somewhere between sleep and sky, the stars were always singing.